Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Play Store. Now from here tap on this profile icon and then go to manage apps and device. After that go to play protect option. Now to clean your phone, at first you have to scan your all the phone apps. Then just tap on scan and give it a moment, and the scan is complete. You can see there are no harmful apps found in my phone. Now just open up your settings app and then scroll down. After that go to device care option, and here you can see optimize. Now you have to optimize your phone from here. Just tap here and you can see that will start optimizing your phone. So just give it a moment and it's done. You can see it's optimized successfully. Then just tap on done and then go to memory option. From here you have to clean your RAM or memory. Just tap on clean now and give it a moment, and the cleaning is complete. And that's it. And that is how you can clean your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.